I'm building my Lego. Today I'm show you I don't know what to do. That's why my I think and actually I have this. Also on something make this so this is so I'm gonna build something crazy, not happening. So let's build something that's crazy. This one is not crazy, huh? This one is not crazy. Where's the camera though? Don't know. This is true, not crazy, though I'm naturally using it. It's this. Look, I just put it in there. I just made it. Actually, I'm listening on my brain. I was stupid. I'm stupid. I'm not. I cannot. Man, I cannot do it. There's to relax is my thing. So, guys, like and subscribe before down below. Like and subscribe. Don't forget it. Just like and subscribe right there. Just right there, down there. Subscribe and like. Do not click something. Share to share. Don't forget to have this Telegram. It is actually 100 pesos from Barangay. Find it as all is currently sold out. It's sold out. I just it's sold out. Good. It's good. Okay. It's good. Bye. So, what is your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Watermelon. Watermelon. What's your favorite food? Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm a biggest fan from Tolly. I have a biggest fan and I have a biggest fan on the world named Bunny and Jackson, all of them, just all of the characters. I have a big fan of them. I wanna be. Comment down below you have this. So you don't have it? That's okay. So I'm going to give you one. I don't know what it is. Which of you guys comment down below what your name Just don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm sorry. You cannot reach the 100 followers. Cannot reach the 1,000. Or cannot reach the diamond flavor to we need to be don't know how to build a flame. So forget is here because you want to be what you gonna be down below the comment. Okay. Somebody 100 million I cannot reach there. So let me just go why I don't know you guys what's up in my name is RJ. I'm the biggest fan in the world that I never seen. A lot of biggest fun. A lot of biggest fun. Oh look, I make it clean for 2023. I don't know what month is it that is 14. Just for today, actually I made it today. So I make this reaction guys. So you want me to make what? It's still zero. I still have 0 followers. This could be giving promise. my phone is broken. My mom is we are broke, but we have a house. But we are on Apostol Quarter GMA Cavite. You are here, guys. Who's your biggest fan in the world? Follow comments. Bye, guys.